Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a Chamberlain garage door opener and I have this universal garage door opener. And the way this works is we have a set of instructions right there and it kind of explains how many times you kind of have to push the buttons to set things and stuff like that. And the way you program it is you see there's a little button on the back. I will hold this down until it lights up. Okay, it's lit up, and then I push a button the number of times it's required. So for me, it's gonna be 3. So then I push a button, 1, 2, 3, and then it kind of stops flashing, and then I push any other button to make it stop. So now this button is programmed to work with a Chamberlain garage door opener. So now I can go over to my garage door opener, and I have to climb up into my garage door up here. And you'll see up there, you see there's the buttons with the learn button and stuff like that. So I have to push the learn button. Okay, I think I pushed it. I can't see it from there. And then I push this and you see it flashes. And now it is paired to my garage door. How cool is that? So now I have an extra garage door opener. And it came with the clips and everything, and it came with a 2-pack, so now I have one for each car. So totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.